enclosed figures. All of you observed anywhere open in this figure? No. This is a enclosed figure. It meets the end points. This is the points. Okay. This is the 4 points. And the line segment, 3 or more line segment. In these properties called as a polygon. It is a figure enclosed by a 3 or more line segment, non-collinear and non-coplanar in a line segment. Okay, non-coplanar means this wall is also a coplanar, means it is in a plane. Okay, collinear, non-collinear means the point will pointed in random. It is not in a single line. Have you got it? And in this one, we can see the so many polygons. Observe here the number of sides. Okay, 3 lines means triangle. It is in 3 line segment in any shape. Observe here there are the difference between these figures. Okay, this is also a triangle and this one is also a triangle. Then four sides means quadrilateral or square rectangle. Okay, observe here this is also a different shapes. Likewise 5, 6, 5 means pentagon, 6 means hexagon, 7 means heptagon, 8 means octagon, and 9 means nanogon, 10 means decan, n it continues up to n-gon. Okay, this is your polygons and sides of the polygons. Okay, like the point will end with the line segment is called a vertex. Vertex means it's joined in a end point. Point is nothing but a vertex. The line segment will joining in a point is a sides of a polygon. And the regular polygons. Then move on to the regular polygon. Regular polygon means the sides are equal and the angles are equal. It means it is 60 degrees. The total number of the angle is how much? 180 degrees. So we add 180 degrees. We got. Okay. The angles are also equal and the sides also equal. Is called as a regular polygon. Observe here. These are all the regular pictures. Okay, this is a square. The all sides are equal. 90